This is the unit circle. First, you want to make sure you label the coordinate points of your unit circle 1, 0, 0, 1, -1, 0, and 0, -1. When you have the coordinate points 1, 0, and 0, 1, you go from 0 on each one and go 1, 2, 3 on both sides and then square root of 2. And then, when you have those points, you draw a rectangle with each of the points, and then at every point of the rectangle are the same exact coordinates.
All strippers take cash. All, A, everything's positive. Strippers, S, only sign is positive. Take T, only tangent is positive. Cash, C, only cosine is positive. From the point 0, 1, you label the radian angle measurements in ascending order: pi over 2, pi over 3, pi over 4, and pi over 6. One full circle is 2 pi. One half of a circle is pi. Pi over 2 equals 90 degrees, pi over 3 equals 60 degrees, pi over 4 equals 45 degrees, and pi over 6 equals 30 degrees. How I remember it is 1/2 of pi over 2 is pi over 4, meaning pi over 4's angle measurement is 1/2 of pi over 2's. Same goes for pi over 3 and pi over 6. With degrees, a full rotation equals 360, and a half rotation equals 180. Reciprocal identities. Sine theta equals 1 over cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equals 1 over sine theta. Cosine theta equals 1 over secant theta. Secant theta equals 1 over cosine theta. Tangent theta equals 1 over cotangent theta. Cotangent theta equals 1 over tangent theta. The quotient identities are tan theta equals sine theta over cosine theta. Cotangent theta equals cosine theta over sine theta. Sum and difference identities. Sinbad is in love with Cosette. When Sinbad plans the double date, he makes sure he sits in the front seat with Cosette and his brother sits in the back with Cosette's sister. Cosette does not like Sinbad. When she plans the double date, she makes sure she sits in the front seat with her sister and makes Sinbad sit in the back seat with his brother. Sinbad is such a positive guy, he makes the sign match. Cosette is a witch with a B, so the sign's opposite.
The Pythagorean identities. The first Pythagorean identity is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. You can use the first Pythagorean identity to find all of the other Pythagorean identities. For the first, divide each term by cosine squared theta in order to get 1 plus cotangent squared theta equals secant theta squared theta. Then, to find the third Pythagorean identity, you go back to the first, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1, and divide each term by sine squared theta. After this, you get tan squared theta plus 1 equals secant squared theta, which are all the Pythagorean identities.